Larger trapways and thoughtful toilet design directly reduce clogging and improve flush performance. Trapway diameter controls how easily solids pass. Choose toilets with a trapway of at least 1.5 inches to promote smooth evacuation and reduce friction points. And verify the measurement is the actual internal channel, not the nominal dimension some manufacturers quote. The trapway shape matters too, because a rounded, smooth channel resists buildup better than a tight 90-degree turn that can catch fibers and paper. So run your finger or a small, flexible rod along the outlet during inspection, or ask for internal photos if buying sight unseen. Flush mechanism type is critical. Instant siphon flush systems create a rapid water column that forms a strong siphon and pulls waste in one surge, while gravity plus optimized bowl geometry can accomplish the same with fewer moving parts. Prioritize designs with matched bowl and rim jets engineered to form that siphon rather than relying on raw water volume alone. Consider flush valve size and material. A larger flush valve and high-quality elastomer seal reduce the chance of incomplete flushes and resist warping over time. So ask for specifics like flush valve diameter and review warranty terms. Avoid low-flow models that were not engineered for solids movement because they often reduce water velocity and compromise siphon formation. Instead, select models that balance water efficiency with tested evacuation performance. Finally, installation affects performance as much as design. Ensure the outlet flange is aligned and that the trapway is not constrained by offset piping or a poorly seated wax ring, and use the correct seal and flange height to maintain the design flow path. Common problems include frequent partial clogs from a narrow or obstructed trapway, which you can fix by replacing the toilet with a larger trapway model or using a long, narrow auger to clear the line while planning replacement. Another issue is weak siphon action caused by mismatched bowl and flush components, which is often solved by swapping the flush valve for a correctly sized unit or choosing a toilet where the manufacturer specifies instant siphon performance. A third concern is installation errors such as low flange height or kinked supply lines that impede flow. Have the flange inspected and corrected, and confirm the waste pipe alignment before final mounting. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement needs related to plumbing and toilet selection, helping us find local professionals or list our services. We host an active discussion community where we share real-world experiences, ask technical questions, and learn practical installation and model selection tips.